Alrighty, guys, it's SEMA 2024. I found the two baddest and fastest guys in the country right here, man. All right, Clay Milliken, Jeff Lutz, and we have Raquel here from CRC. This is amazing. You guys have done it again. You guys have collaborated and created an unbelievable ride. It's right here. Now, you know the Tri-5s. Anybody can see a 55, 6, or 7 Chevy and go, oh, the mothership's a hot rod right there. However, this one is unlike any 57 Chevy in the world.
I make a living with Hemis, so under the hood of this thing is a supercharged Gen 3 Hemi built by Mr. Mike Copeland.
That in its own right may surprise a lot of people. Gen 3 Hemi and a 57 Chevy. Wait, that's Chevrolet, that's Mopar. What's going on here? Now, what else is unique about it?
This 1957 Chevy is powered by hydrogen. Mike Copeland has dreamed this up, and it's an amazing thing. You know, I'm known for 57 Chevys. Clay's the Hemi guy. Mike Copeland.
Yeah, brought you guys together.
Yes.
This will be the first ever non-OEM that is being sold that is hydrogen powered. Wow. This hydrogen Hemi hot rod has been our tagline. There's never in the world been one sold that runs on hydrogen, ever.
Man. Now, Raquel, with CRC, you guys are always, you're in every shop and every garage in the country, right? So congratulations on that. But you guys are really reaching the next generation of hot rodders. So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we started a program called Build for the Future Scholarship Program, partnered with Tech Force back in 23. We did a GTO last year with Clay and Jeff, and we wanted to kick it up a notch this year. All the auction proceeds of the car for scholarships for kids to join the trades, because we need more people to join the trades.
And you guys seen it here, SEMA, CRC, really cutting the ice, man. They're doing everything unique, different, the wow factor through the roof. You got these two guys that's partnered up, man, you can't get better than this. A 57 Chevy, a Gen 3 Hemi, and it's hydrogen powered, and it's yours for the taking. All you gotta do is write a check.
That's right. That's right.